I don't know, you couldn't see it because of the tree, but I got him. Yes. Woo! Mossberg strikes again, baby. Yes. AMO, Polk Outdoors, there we go. Yes, baby, yes. All right. Man, I know I couldn't get any good video, but I couldn't pass some good bird up on these easterns, man. Didn't think he had much longer spurs, but it didn't take long, baby. It didn't take long. Good thick deer. Oh, I just want to thank my gracious landowner for letting me come out here and hunt these things, man. I love it. It's probably my favorite thing to do of hunting. I love killing big deer. I love eating deer. I love shooting dove. I love quail hunting. I mean, everything. But there's something about when a turkey comes in and starts gobbling that just gets that blood pumping. You know something's there. It's surprising, but you know what's happening. And I love it, man. There's nothing more like it. Thank you. Spurs aren't real long. They're about almost an inch probably. But man, it's just a beautiful bird. Look at this thing. Look at that. Isn't that great? Isn't that great? Beard. Good old beard on him. I mean, look at that beard. Big old thick sucker. Hope you all can see it on there. Kind of getting a little bit dark. I don't know what time it is. I left my phone in the truck. But I know what time it is, and Addison will know what time it is. It's my little girl at home. She really wanted to come with me, and I thought I'd just come out here and try to roost one and maybe get her. But we're going on turkey hunt next week, so it should suffice her. But the time it is, it's turkey time. Turkey time! Yes! Awesome, man. Left-handed shot too. I'm not left-handed. I'm left-eye dominant, but I couldn't get the lid cam to turn on. It turned on at first, and I tried to. I don't know what happened to it. Maybe the reset button. But the birds came in, and I was walking down this fence row where I'd seen them before. The cows were just following me. I don't know what's the deal with these cows, but they must be the best tamed cows ever. So they kept pushing in. I'm walking and calling. I was kind of coming over here to see on this dirt down the fence row where I could see if I could see any turkey tracks, and sure enough, I saw a couple sets, not very much, but this has been raining, so it could have washed those turkey tracks off pretty easy. And I'm sitting there walking and just calling with my mouth, no diaphragm, just, and all of a sudden, oh, like, oh. I get down, crouch down, because I'm in the open, crouch down as far as I could and belly crawl over with the camera. And after I belly crawl over, I get set up and get my slate out and start hitting out them little mag calls, and old mag calls call actually, and started calling to them. They got gobbled like once, and I didn't hear them for a minute, but I know they were pretty close, and so I started calling with my mouth, and they responded to that real good. So I just put that down and just started yelping to them, and they come in and walk right in front of me, a bunch of thick stuff, and this is thick where I shot to. It was close. I mean, it was only 15 yards, so couldn't pass up the opportunity. But if they'd have came in front of me, a little easier, I could have got some better footage, and I'm sorry about that, but it's about hunting. I want to film it. I want to get it on so I can share it with my friends, family, and I can keep the memory. But this memory's going to live with me anyway, and that's why I went ahead and just shot the thing. Like I said, I don't pass up the eastern birds. We make sure we get them down. I mean, they're tough to get on. It's a blessing to kill one. And they start circling me, and I think there was two for sure. There might have been 3 toms with them. And they circled in behind me, and I saw 2 of them kind of walking off. The cows had them jittery, but they were walking pretty close and gobbling at me. And this one made the fatal mistake, stopped in front of the old Mossberg and got popped. I had to switch over to left hand and just barely see his head and squeezed one off on him, and that's it. It's all she wrote. I can see some little blood spots on its head right there. But great hunt, quick hunt. I was working today, got everything ready so I could leave right at 5, and I pretty much accomplished that, which is amazing for me. Usually I leave something or lose something or something goes on like that and have to go back, but I had everything pretty much done, got out of the house at 5, got here, started walking about 6 o'clock from the truck, and about 30 minutes later we got a bird on the ground. It's lucky, lucky to have people that, let me come down here and hunt that are neighbors to me, and we're going to trade out some hunts with them. He's going to come sit in the stands hopefully, and kind of trade it out that way, because he has the turkeys on him. I don't have any turkeys on me, so it's nice of him, and I'm happy that he let me come do it. And here's the results. Yes. Woo-wee! Good old beard. Nice beard on him. I don't know, man. It's probably 10 inches or so. Spurs. They're maybe about an inch, maybe 3/4 or something, but I'm not too worried about it. Any bird down here is a blessing. Alright guys, well that was it. We'll go get some pictures of this bird, maybe just a little more footage, but I'm sorry you didn't get to see the kill shot, but you saw the results. Hopefully you heard all that gobbling. It was nice, it was fun. Woo, whole heart's going.